So I'm just going to give it a couple of squeezes. Not getting a good suction. And hi guys, I'm just here to do a tutorial about the Haka breast pump. So I've just got my pump and I'm going to put it on the boob. So you just give it a good squeeze, hands free. So I'm feeding Ruby at the same time because I prefer to have a good letdown. Well, I only get a letdown if I do it with her, really. But I don't know if you can see, I'll get a bit closer. Excuse the boob. But you can see there, down the bottom, there's lots of milk coming out. You can actually see the milk shooting out if you look carefully. So you can tell that you get a really good flow off it. I only had to position it the once that time. Ruby's getting pissy. I only had to position it the once that time, but you can see there I'm getting a good amount in the bottom of the pump. Right, we're going to try again because Rocky came and interrupted. So obviously you got your boob out, put it on, give it another squeeze, and I'm going to try and get some more again. Might not work thanks to the toddler. I think if I do get some more, it'll just show you how bloody fantastic this thing is. So I'm just going to reposition and give it another good squeeze. Look, there we go. Straight back into it. You can see it totally pouring out there. So to